Here's the setup for an air rifle shot. A propane torch is blowing its flame about an inch behind a dead refillable lighter, chock full of liquid, but the sparker won't work anymore, so this is ready for an air rifle shot. We'll see if when the lighter bursts, the torch will ignite the cloud of butane. Should be interesting. Let's give this a try. Looks like I hit it. Lucky me, I've got a dead grey lighter too that's also died when it was full of fuel, so let's do this again. Let's shoot lighter number 2. Looks like I hit number 2 as well. Let's try a disposable green lighter now. I saw something, not much gas in that one though. One last one, the orange one. Again, only a bit of flame. I guess it didn't have much in it. Let's go see what this does. That looked like a result.